Hello and welcome to another video of Craving Spices. Today I'll be sharing with you a healthy and tasty oats chocolate cookie recipe which is very easy to make and also a healthy snack option for your healthy lifestyle and weight loss journey. In a bowl, add 1 cup lightly roasted and powdered rolled oats. To this, add half cup wheat flour or atta. Now, add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. You may reduce the quantity as per your taste and increase oats or atta instead. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and give a good mix. Here, as a natural sweetener to the cookie, I am using half cup jaggery melted in little water. Now add 6½ tablespoon of melted butter and mix well. Here, I am using 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence for a nice flavor. Scoop and roll it into desired shape, placing it in a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Now, take little wheat flour and dip a fork in it and then press it onto a cookie gently. I have preheated the oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. Bake it for around 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I am letting it cool for a while and delicious and healthy oats chocolate cookie is ready. You may check for ingredients list and its measurement in the description box below. Please do try this healthy cookie recipe and leave a comment on how it turned out. And also for more such healthy recipes, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching.